Hey, today we're going to do towels. It's something y'all can do at home with your parents and help them out around the house. Okay, so I'm gonna fold some towels. I need to fold some. Making a video, you wanna help me?
Do what?
Folding towels?
Why?
Cause that's something my guys can work on and help around the house with.
Yeah.
Okay.
Introduce me.
You do it. You
No,
say-
no, you introduce me.
Tell them who you are.
Are you already recording?
Yes. This is Abigail, my stepdaughter.
Hi.
We're gonna fold towels. Some people fold them. I think Becky your mommy folds them like this first. Did she fold them like this first?
I don't know. I've never seen.
You've seen your mama.
No, I haven't. No, I haven't.
She folds them like long ways first, and then this way, and then this way. But I like to fold them.
He showed me how to do it.
So that's how your mama folds them. I fold them like this. This is how my mom folds them. You put it in your neck and you fold it. You make it like this. And then you drop it. You make it equal. And then you drop it again. Okay? You show them how you do it.
So first, I take it long ways and put it under my neck. Then I fold it in. I pull. Okay. Put it under my neck again. Do the same thing. Fold. Then you drop. Make it equal.
And when we do wash rags, we just do this. You just take the wash rag and flip it.
I'm gonna show them how I used to do it.
How did you used to do it?
I used to go like this, like do normal, and then fold it over again.
Yeah, some people fold them like that.
I'm done.
If all I had to do was do a video to get you to do fold towels, I would have done that a long time ago.
Yeah. Michael, I want you to try it my way.
I did it like your mama does.
I follow after my mama
Oh, yeah, you do it.
when I do it.
Yeah.
That's the only way I know how to fold towels. That way.
So we gotta do it slow so that they can follow.
Okay. But is this live?
No.
You have to upload it first.
Yeah. So you take the towel and you hold both ends and then you fold it together.
Are you doing
Take your
it?
finger and put it in the loop. Hold the two ends that you folded. And then I put it with my neck and then I grab it in half and make sure it's equal. This is a raggedy towel.
Yeah.
And then I grab it with my neck and fold it in half. Or turn your Google thing on.
You fold that in.
And this is how Becky does it. You take your towel, you fold it in half. Then you fold it in half. And then you fold it in half.
My belly can't be hanging out. My belly can't be hanging out.
No.
Don't get them to do it.
Yeah.
Don't get them to go.
Yeah.
Michael, can you try it my way?
Yes, you do it. Like this. Long.
Wait. Yep.
That's hard. And then you bring it together.
Yep.
And then what do you do?
And then you fold it again.
Like this?
Yeah. And put it on your chin and drop it equal.
Okay.
It's not hard for me.
Once you get a good pile, you go put them up.
Mm-hmm. Ooh. We're gonna be doing another video later.
Yeah, we'll do one later or tomorrow. We'll try to do one every day.
The one probably, another one today. We're gonna do one a day.
Yeah.
Okay, so tomorrow we're gonna do it.
Yeah. Well, we might film it today, but we might do it tomorrow.
Like upload it tomorrow.
Yeah.
Why is there
Because I tried your
Oh.
clothes too. Just put them over there.
Where's my socks? See my socks.
Well, we'll get them.
Did you do it?
No.
Yeah.
These are dish rags. Dish rags we usually fold, like Abby used to fold them in squares.
Yeah.
That's garbage. Put it away.
I don't know why that was there. Probably part of a towel that came off in the washer. Right?
Yep.
That's not a dish rag.
We use it for dish rags.
You only go put these up?
No, they're not done yet. Here's a dish towel. Fold it in half, and in half, and into a square.
See, I've never folded one of those.
What you did? What you say? It's okay.
What do you think I said?
I don't know. Something silly.
No. Last towel. Show them how you fold rugs.
Rugs we just fold up and put up in the cabinet. We have bathroom rugs that we have to wash.
Because sometimes he pees them.
Don't say that. Just have to keep everything clean. Especially right now.
Yeah, because of the virus. Want me to go put them up now?
No, I'm not done with them.
That's a good pile.
I know, but we got to get everything done so we can clean the couch off. Don't.
Show them.
Not playtime, no.
I'm gonna, Magic 8 Ball. Will I ever be married?
Do it. You're supposed to be helping me. Fold some.
It is certain. I said it is certain.
Fold something. Go put your clothes up.
I don't know how to fold my clothes.
It don't matter, just put them up.
I'm not gonna put them up. I'm gonna put them on the bed. I wanted to wear them today.
Well, maybe you could change out of them later. Wear them tonight.
Okay. video on the computer.
No.
Why?
Cause you're helping me put the towels up.
Okay. Hopefully they don't all fall out.
Put them rugs up. They better not fall out.
They might.
How'd you put them in there?
Like the other stack?
Okay. We're not done. I'm not done.
You can make another tile.
I'm gonna make another pile.
That's a lot of wash rags.
There you
And if you put them on your couch, that's how to get your couch clean.
Yeah. Pick up around the house.
That's Mommy's. I'll go put it in the bathroom.
Come on, bruh.
I'll put it in the bathroom exactly like she does.
We gotta tell them bye. We'll see them in the next video.
Bye, see you in the next video.